You wake up tired. Your body feels heavy. After 40, it's like invisible chains are holding you down. Fatigue, stiffness, and bad habits aging you faster than you realize. But here's the truth. You can break those chains. In the next few minutes, we'll show you 9 simple daily habits that restore energy, protect muscle, and keep you strong well past 40. Habit 1. Morning movement. The first chain to break is morning stiffness. After 40, your joints don't lubricate as smoothly overnight. That's why so many men feel achy the moment they get out of bed. The fix is simple: 5 to 10 minutes of morning movement. That could be light stretching, yoga poses, or even a brisk walk around the block. This gentle motion pumps fresh blood through your muscles, wakes up your joints, and signals to your body it's time to turn on. Research shows even a short morning stretch boosts circulation and primes testosterone for the day. So before you grab the phone or the coffee, move first. Habit 2. Protein at breakfast. Muscle is the armor of aging. After 40, you naturally lose 1 to 2% of muscle each year if you're not intentional. That's why your first meal should include at least 30 grams of protein. Protein blunts cravings, keeps blood sugar steady, and most importantly, it protects your lean muscle. The truth is, most men fall short, especially in the morning. A couple of eggs on their own won't cut it. Aim for a real protein source, whether that's eggs plus Greek yogurt, smoked salmon, or a shake if you're in a rush. And if you struggle to hit your daily protein target, we've linked the whey protein we personally use down in the comments. Habit 3. Strength training. If protein is the fuel, strength training is the signal. Lifting weights, even for 20 minutes 3 times a week, tells your body to keep muscle, not lose it. And here's the secret. You don't need bodybuilding splits. Push-ups, squats, pull-ups, rows, done consistently, outperform hours of cardio when it comes to slowing aging. Muscle keeps your metabolism alive. It protects your joints, and it literally acts as a glucose sponge, lowering diabetes risk. Every rep is like striking off another chain. Habit 4. Vitamin D and omega-3. Most men over 40 are low in vitamin D and omega-3s, and deficiency doesn't just show up on a blood test. It shows up in your life. Weaker bones, slower recovery, more inflammation, even a higher risk of low mood and depression. Your first defense is sunlight. Aim for 15 minutes of direct exposure most days. But depending on your lifestyle or where you live, that might not be enough. That's when food or supplementation becomes important. Omega-3s from fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel protect your heart and cushion your joints. Vitamin D supports testosterone, immunity, and bone strength. These aren't exotic hacks. They're basic foundations most men overlook, and correcting them often makes you feel noticeably better in just weeks. If you want to see exactly which supplements we personally use for these, check the top comment below. Habit 5. Walk after meals. This one is deceptively powerful. Take a 10 to 15 minute walk after lunch or dinner. Why? Because it lowers blood sugar spikes immediately. For men in their 40s and 50s, this single habit improves insulin sensitivity, cuts diabetes risk, and helps with weight management. Think of it as digestion in motion. A simple stroll is all it takes. No gym clothes, no sweat required. Habit 6. Sleep routine. The biggest chain holding men back after 40? Poor sleep. Low-quality sleep means low testosterone, higher cortisol, weight gain, and brain fog. Yet men treat sleep like an optional luxury. The fix? Go to bed at the same time every night. Keep the bedroom cool, and cut screens at least 30 minutes before bed. These small tweaks restore deep sleep cycles that repair muscle, balance hormones, and recharge the brain. When sleep is right, everything else works better. Habit 7. Stress reset. Chronic stress is silent sabotage. Cortisol not only adds belly fat, it steals your energy and focus. That's why you need a daily stress reset. It doesn't have to be meditation. It could be 5 minutes of deep breathing, a short journal session, or a quiet walk without your phone. The goal is simple. Tell your nervous system it's safe. Do this once a day, and you'll notice less tension, clearer thinking, and more stable energy. Habit 8. Cold exposure. This one's a bit controversial. Some experts argue cold showers don't make a big difference, but here at Second Prime, we've seen real benefits. Ending your shower with 30 to 60 seconds of cold water feels uncomfortable, but it often leaves you more alert, more energized, and sharper for hours afterward. The science suggests it can lower inflammation, improve circulation, and boost mood by triggering norepinephrine release. Even if the research is debated, many men report it's one of the fastest ways to reset both body and mind. Habit 9. Mobility microgoals. Stiff hips, tight shoulders, aching backs. They creep up faster after 40. The antidote is microgoals. Every 2 to 3 hours, stand up and spend just 2 minutes moving. Hip openers, shoulder rolls, a quick spine twist. These mini resets prevent long-term stiffness and keep you moving like you're years younger. It's not about workouts. It's about never letting your body lock up. So let's recap. Morning movement to loosen the body, protein at breakfast to protect muscle, strength training to stay strong, vitamin D and omega-3s as your foundation, a simple walk after meals, a consistent sleep routine, a daily stress reset, cold exposure for energy, and mobility microgoals to keep you limber. 9 habits that, when stacked, break the chains of fatigue and premature aging after 40. They aren't complicated, but practiced consistently, they give you back what matters most: strength, energy, and focus. Do them daily and you stop just surviving the years. You start thriving in them. That's the difference between drifting into midlife and stepping into your second prime. If you're ready to feel that shift, start with just one habit tomorrow. Add another next week. Momentum builds, and soon those chains you've carried for years begin to fall away. This channel is here to guide you every step of the way. Subscribe for weekly science-backed tips to thrive in your second prime. And if you want to see the exact supplements we personally use, check the top comment. We've linked them there for you. If this video helped you in any way, even one small change you'll try tonight, leave a like. It tells the algorithm to show it to someone else who might need it. And if you want more clear, science-backed ways to protect your body and sharpen your mind after 40, stick around for more. Your second prime isn't about going back. It's about staying sharp, steady, and strong.